Well, a little quick update on the ambulance build. I got it pretty much gutted. Still working on some of the wiring. Took out a crap load of it. Still got more to do. Got the front inside done. Still got some more wiring to pull here. That rat's nest was what was underneath the front seat. Why that way? I have no clue. They're kind of overkill, I think. Got the seats out and got the wood. Start doing the inside. Got the roof mount AC unit set up. This is all the wire that I have pulled out of this thing so far. Alright, well, that's the quick update for now. Thanks for watching.